So hello to all my viewers and all my dear students. I am Akash Roy and I am presenting you once again a very good and a very amazing video. In today's college review, we are reviewing India's one of the oldest and one of the greatest institution. Yes, we are talking about the IIT ISM Dhanbad. Yes, we know all these institutions. But in today's video, we are talking about some important facts that you have to know about this college. So let's get started. At first, we are talking about the heritage building. This is a very beautiful heritage building which present in the central heart core of that college. It is established on 1926 and a very beautiful with a presentable look and with 100 years of glory carrying through this college. In the next point, let's talk about some history of that college. The history is also a very big history. In this history is started with the 9th December 1926 when Lord Irwin established that college for the developing the mining and applied geology studies in India. After that, the Indian Institution of Technology means IIT collaborating with the ISM and formed India's first IIT ISM college. The history is very big and very beautiful of that college. In the next point, we are look over the NIRF parameters. In the NIRF parameters, the college also formed a very good rank. The NIRF engineering ranking, it can get 12th rank. When the NIRF overall ranking comes, it can get 22 rank. In the next point, we will look over some important reviews. The reviews that can help you to judge that college. Though there are very much websites in our internet world who can give you the reviews, but we are taking the most important websites that are helpful for you. One of them is the Shiksha and the College Dunia. In the Shiksha parameters, the college get 8 of 10, 8 up to 8.2 out of 10, and at the College Dunia parameters, it can get 8.1 out of 10. In that parameters, there are the different points like the placements, faculty, academics, and the accommodation facilities. So in that points, the college get various points like in placements 8.1 out of 10, in the faculty 7.7 out of 10, in the academics 8.3 out of 10, in the accommodation 7.4 out of 10. So these are the parameters that the college get. In the next point, also a very important one, those students who are not in the Jharkhand, who are the outside Jharkhand, in the outside states and for the outside our country, the important thing that accommodation means the hostel facility. Yes, it is a very important news for them that the hostel facility is available, very well. Where if you see the 7 boys and the 4 girls hostels are present in that college. Some renowned hostels name are the Amber Hostel, the Diamond Hostel, the Opal Hostel, the Rosalind Ruby, and the Topaz Hostel. So these are the hostels. They are separated from each and other, and the girls and boys hostels are separated. And it is also the light, mess, the canteen facility. All the things are available in that hostels. So hostel facility, the accommodation facility is very good of that college. In the next point, the important and the most important thing that to attract you over this college, the attracting thing is its central library. The central library of Indian Institute of Technology, IIT ISM Dhanbad, the heart of the institution, providing direct academic and research supports to all the departments. So here a lot of books are present. You are happy to know that thing that its central library is the second largest library in Asia and the one of the first largest and the top library in India with if we count the resource things. The many journals, new books, new research papers and everything are here. This is a dream come true for you to come his central library. And it is very good for you to choose that college because the facilities in the library is very good. Talking about our next point, the cutoffs. Cutoffs are very important. We are calculating the last 5 years cutoff that come in the IIT JEE exam, means the JEE main exam. We are talking some important branches like the civil engineering. Here the cutoff is almost for the general is 5,783. For the computer science it is 1,849. In the case of the electrical engineering, it is 3,858. In the mechanical engineering, it is the 4,032. And the case of the chemical engineering, it is 5,465. So these are the average and approximate last 5 years cutoff. So you can judge how you can calculate how rank if you get in your IIT JEE exam to join IIT ISM Dhanbad. In the next cutoff session, we are talking about the IIT JAM cutoff. IIT JAM cutoff of some previous year. If we can average that cutoff, then these parameters comes in our mind. Where the general cutoff is 400 to 450 approximately, and the EWS cutoff is 550 to 600 approximately. The OBC cutoffs are 850 to 1000 approximately. For the SC, 2500 to 3000, and the ST 5700 to 6000. So these are the approximate cutoffs for all the subjects for the joint admission test in IIT, means JAM exam. Okay. In the next session, we are talking about some fee structure. The student also looking for that point. It is a very important point, and here the total fee structure of BTech in 1 year, where the caution money for one time that college get from you, that 4,500, one time fees 4,700, tuition fees 1 lakh, other fees 4,300, annual fees 8,800. The total fees for 1 year in a BTech student is 1,22,300. But if you are poor student, means you are EWS or OBC, SC, ST backward class students, or if your father are income is very less, then college must give you some they can give you the options, they can give you the money, they can take some less money from you. So this is a very important point of that college. Next, talking about the placement. Placement cell is also very important. If you see the last year parameter, then the picture is clear to you. You see I can give you some facts like the branches like the computer engineering, the electrical engineering, the electrical communication, mechanical engineering, mining engineering, and etc. If you see all the batches, you can get that all the batches placements are almost 90% above. So if you are the student of that college and if you do your studies good, then your placement are must, you can get your placement from that college. And the most important thing, if you see the mining and machine engineering, which is the renowned department of that college, it can get the students, the 13 students are appeared for the placement, and the 13 are placed in the placement cell, from the placement cell. So it is very important news and very top news for you. So from that fact, it is also a dream institution for you. The last parameter with the visiting companies, which the company came in that college to give you the jobs. Like India's one of the biggest colleges like the Mineral Exploration Corporation, like the Coal India Limited, like Shell Steel Authority India Limited, like the Tata Consultancy Services like TCS, like Jindal, Reliance, like JSW. So all these various companies visited that college to providing you the jobs. So according to looking all those matters, it can clearly see that says that IIT ISM Dhanbad is a dream for all the students. So don't miss that chance. If you are ranked, if you are cut off, if you cleared that cutoff of that college, then must join that college, because I think this is a dream come true institution for all of you. And if you want to know more about that college, and if I miss something, then comment me and ask me your questions. I will surely provide you my answers. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching. Visit Akash Time Education, subscribe us, and get the notification button on to that when I can give you the college reviews, you can get from us very quickly, as quick as possible. Thank you for visiting. Thank you.